Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will design a functional slot machine. We will do our best to make it look real and nice. We will use a very simple and effective Python code. Such a simulation cannot be performed without coding. Now, let's see how to design and use it. We will use a protection tag to move the arm between 0 and 25 degrees on the p-axis. Now, let's make a Boolean switch for the arm to start and stop the rotation of the wheels. I'm going to make some adjustments to this switch to make it look good. I do not speed up the video, because you may need this information. We will use Expresso Editor to connect the movement of the arm to this switch. Follow these steps. If we multiply the value from user data by 25, we get two numbers, 0 and 25. Okay. We made the arm move. We have 3 wheels. These have 12 sides. Each edge will rotate at 30-degree angles. We have 6 symbols, and they are placed on the wheel, 2 of each shape. First, we will convert the movement of the arm into degrees and connect it to the Python input. We will use a time node to understand whether the animation has started or not. Now, let's connect the P directions to the Python outputs to spin the wheels. We will soon understand how these wheels rotate. The movement of the wheels looks very fake. Let's add some jiggle to these. I think it looks good to give the wheels a little jelly effect. At the beginning of the timeline, we randomly selected and placed 3 of the 6 symbols. For this we have a list with 3 items named R&D. We can change them. It is important that it is between 0 and 5. You can give any numbers you want. Just be different from each other. Currently, our list named R&D has items 0, 1 and 2. These are the lines that keep the wheels turning. And these lines delete the items of the list and add new ones in each frame. When the wheels stop, the 3 selected elements of the list are multiplied by 30 degrees, and it is determined which symbol will be ahead. These items will also play a role in determining the amount of prizes earned. These lines determine which symbol will bring how much prizes. If all 3 items of the list are the same, the highest reward amount given for these 3 items is selected. If only 2 items of the list are the same, the lowest reward amount is selected. Now let's print the price amount into the text object. These amounts are determined differently for each symbol. We have 2 7 symbols. This means 300 prize amounts have been won. Now, 2 star symbols brought us 200 prizes. Cheating is not a good thing, but let me show you how. For example, if we change the random number generation settings, and want a number between 5 and 5 to be selected, then 3 7 symbols will be selected each time. Now, let's restore these numbers, and stop cheating. We will soon see how these rewards will turn into money. The first and most important thing is to access the Experts section in the project settings. Increase the numbers here and the animation will be more stable. Now we will define some dynamic collision objects. This cloner object and random effector will determine how many coins will drop. To activate coins, make these settings. Let's assign a static collision object to the floor object. There are some collision objects hidden inside the machine body. Let's give them static collisions too. Now let's make these hidden objects invisible again, and watch the animation. Let's make the necessary connections to determine how many coins the cloner object will produce. The system already knows how many coins will drop in which situation. You can count the falling coins if you want. I think there will be no mistake. It should be 20 coins for 2 stars. $10 coins for 2 grapes. And 15 coins for 2 oranges. We won 30 coins with 2 sevens. This is good. In this case, it is not very important, but it is still a good idea to turn the coin dynamics on and off. I'm not that lucky today. So, can we multiply these machines and open our own casino? We will see this in a moment. To copy the machine, we must first turn off the jiggle deformers. If we do not close, wheels may lose their positions. If your graphics card is good, you can clone as many machines as you want. When the copying process is finished, activate the jiggle deformers again. Now you can try your luck on the machine you want. You can create a casino atmosphere by improving your stage. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.